Hello YouTube, dear lovely subscribers of mine. My name is Dylan B. Today we're doing another Hungry Jack's Review Friday. Today we're doing the Bourbon Street Fried Chicken review. Unwrap it, you want to see it? Oh, look at that. We got some bourbon barbecue sauce there. We got some cheese, bacon, lettuce, crispy onion rings. I love that. Yep. Thumbnail, you want to see it? Alright, let's move on to review that. Shall we begin? The bourbon barbecue sauce tastes amazing. I like that a lot. The mayonnaise, not too bad. I'm enjoying eating mayonnaise. Because you can see the onion crisps has mayonnaise in it, you can see it. Two thumbs up, it's amazing. For the Bourbon Street fried chicken review, I had to give it like 10 out of 10. Because that's definitely amazing. I like it so much. So anyway, that was me having the Hungry Jack's Bourbon Street Fried Chicken. So if you guys are new here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification bell on, write down comments below what you do next. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.